Are you looking for a step-by-step guide to filing for Social Security disability benefits? My name is Caitlin Wildonor, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In today's video, I'm going to provide an overview of how to complete your SSDI application. Number one, before you get started, gather necessary information and documents. This includes documents such as personal identification, like your Social Security number and your birth certificate, medical records and treatment history, your work history and recent tax returns, contact information for healthcare providers, and a list of medications, who prescribed them, and any potential side effects that you may have. Once you have that information, choose your application method. You can apply online through the Social Security Administration's website. You can apply over the phone by calling the National Social Security number or by calling your local office, and you can apply in person at your local Social Security office. If you opt to apply online, you'll want to create or sign into your My Social Security account. However, if you have difficulty creating or signing into that account, you may still be able to submit an online application. It's just a little bit smoother and allows you to track the process if you're able to get that My SSA account up and running and apply directly through there. Then you'll complete the disability benefit application. You want to provide detailed information about yourself, your medical conditions, and how they limit your impact and your ability to work. Be honest, concise, and consistent in your answers. In the application, you'll also include information about your work history. You want to list all jobs that you've held in the last 5 years, including the types of businesses, the time periods that you worked, the hours and days that you worked, and the pay rates. In the application, you'll also provide details of your medical condition. Try as best as you can to include all dates of treatment, any patient ID numbers that you may have, and test results. You want to list all medications and who prescribed them and whether or not they have any side effects. As part of the application process, there may be additional documents that you are required to submit, including proof of citizenship or lawful alien status, military discharge paperwork, workers' compensation information, marriage documentation, those kinds of things that kind of help prove that you are who you say you are and whether there may be other benefits that you are eligible for. Before you submit, review your application. Double check all information for accuracy and submit that application with any supporting documents. Once the application is submitted, follow up and respond promptly to any requests by the Social Security Administration. Once the application is submitted, be prepared for the Social Security Administration to contact you for additional information. When they do that, try to respond as quickly as you are able to avoid any delays in the processing of your application. Remember, when you're submitting the application online, you can actually save your progress and return later if you need more time to complete the application. If you are unsure about any part of the process, consider seeking help from a Social Security disability representative or attorney. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.